So students, today we will continue with the steps of agriculture practices. First one is that is preparation of soil. It is the important task for the farmers. In this, firstly, soil is loosened. Then loosening of soil, it allows roots to go deep into the soil and to breathe easily. How this loosening soil allows roots to breathe? Loosening of soil allows microbes and earthworms to grow into the soil. And these earthworms and microbes are called friends of the farmers as its excreta provides humus to the soil. And humus is a very fertile soil. Now, why soil needs to be loosened? In previous classes, we have studied that soil contains minerals, water, air, and some of the living organisms. Dead plants and animals are also decomposed by these soil organisms. And various nutrients which are present in these dead organisms are released back into the soil. And these nutrients are absorbed by the plants. And now only few centimeters of top layers of soil supports for growth of plants because this loosening of soil brings the nutrients rich soil and plants can use these nutrients. Now the process of loosening and turning of soil is called ploughing. Now say I can tell you that what is ploughing. The process of loosening and turning of soil, it is called ploughing. This ploughing is done by plough. These ploughs are made of either wood or iron. If the soil is if the soil is very dry, it needs water before ploughing. There are big clumps of soil which are called clumps. Clumps means the soil which is we can say that the bundle of soil, you can say the like that only, which are called crumbs, and these crumbs are very necessary to be broken because leveling of field is beneficial for sowing as well as irrigation, and leveler is used for leveling the soil. Means the thing the which is the implement, you can say, that used for leveling the soil, that is said to be leveler. Now, sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling. Before tilling, manure is added. Why this manure is added? So that it can get mixed with the soil easily. Before sowing of seed, the soil is moistened, means it is watered. Now, students, we will study about some of the agricultural implements such as hoe, plough, and cultivators. These are the agriculture tools which are used to break soil clumps to get better yield of crops. In this picture, you can see various parts of plough such as beam, plough shaft, and plough share. Now we will study about the plough. In ancient time, it was used for tilling the soil, adding fertilizers to the crop, for removing weeds and turning the soil. This is made of wood. And was drawn by a pair of bulls, triangular iron strip, it is called plough share. And the main part of the plough is a long log of wood which is called plough shaft. Means a long log of wood, it is called plough shaft. And there is a handle at one end of the shaft. There is a handle at the one end of the shaft. And at the other end, it is attached to the beam which is placed on the bull's neck. But nowadays, wooden plows are replaced by the iron plows. These are replaced by the iron plows. Now next implement, agriculture implement, that is hoe. Hoe, it is a very simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. Weeds, earlier I explained you, these are the unnecessary plants grown along with the crop. It has a long rod of wood or iron, and on one end of it, a strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed, which works like a blade, and it is pulled by animals. It works like a blade. You can see the picture also of the hoe. In this picture, you can see a hoe and its various parts. Now next, that is cultivator. Cultivator saves labor and time both. And nowadays, tractors are used for cultivation. Now next, that is sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds is a very important part. This is the next step for the growing of crops. That is, for it is an important part of crop production. Farmers select a good quality of seed that and healthy seeds also to get high yield of crops. To know the quality of seeds, we can do one experiment for that. What experiment you will do? We can take a handful of wheat seeds and dip into beaker which is filled with water. Then we have to wait for some time. We will see that the lighter seeds will float on water and heavier seeds will sink in water. Why? Why does it happen? Because damaged seeds become hollow and get lighter and floats on water. Because hollow seeds, they are empty and they will become lighter and they will float on water, and heavy seeds will sink in water. This is the good method to separate good and healthy seeds from the damaged one. Now, tools are used for sowing seeds. There are now traditional tools also and modern tools also. Earlier, how they were used? Traditional tools were used for sowing seeds. A funnel shaped tool is used. In this funnel, seeds are filled. Firstly, what happened? In funnel, seeds are filled and passed down through 2 or 3 pipes. How many pipes are there? 2 or 3 pipes which have sharp ends. And these ends pierce into the soil and pierce there. And these seeds are placed inside the soil. Nowadays, seed drills are used for sowing the seeds. Seed drills are used for sowing the seed. You can see in the picture, with the help of tractors, this sows the seed at equal distances and depth. Means seeds are sown at the equal distances and depth. After sowing, seeds are covered by soil. After sowing the seeds, these are covered by the soil and are safe to be eaten by birds. Means birds can't eat these seeds because it is leveled. Now, and it also saves the time and labor both. Now, while sowing the seeds, it is very necessary to keep distance between seeds. We have to keep distance between the seeds, so it prevents overcrowding and allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. Means the plants can get sufficient light, nutrients and water from the soil.